this video, we are going to discuss about some basic terms of HTML. The first one is tags. So what are tags? Tags are the keywords which displays the content of a web page. We know that in HTML there are various types of contents like image, paragraph, video, audio. So to display all these contents, we need some keywords which are called tags in HTML. These tags are written within angle brackets. Angle brackets means between the less than and greater than sign. Like HTML, body, etc. There are different tags in HTML. Now, two types of tags. Specifically, we classify these tags in two types. The first one is opening or start or on tag. You can call it opening tag, you can call it start tag, or you can call it on tag. And the second one is the closing or end or off tag. So what is the difference between these two? The start tag is simply written between the angle brackets, that means between the less than and greater than sign. Just like this HTML. This is simply a start tag. So every element, you can say every content of the web page starts with this start tag. And the second one is ending tag. So in ending tag, it looks almost similar to the start tag. The only difference is this forward slash, which appears before the name of the tag. So tag name is HTML. So when you write it as start tag, you simply put it between the less than and greater than sign. That is in between the angle brackets. When you use it as the ending tag, you put it between the less than and greater than sign, but a forward slash before the name of the tag. This forward slash differs between the start tag and the end tag. But these tag names are not case sensitive. That means either you can write HTML or any other HTML tag in capital letters, or you can write them in small letters. In which case you write both in capital and small, in web page it does not really matter because it is not case sensitive. For a web browser, either you write it in capital or you write it in small, both means the same. The next element of or the next term of HTML is the elements. So what are these elements? Elements represents a complete component of HTML. So what is this complete component? It has three parts. The start tag, that means the tag name between the opening and closing angle brackets. Then the second one is the end tag, the name of the tag with the forward slash, and the content between the start and the end tag. So here is it as an example. One of the tag of HTML is body. So it is the opening tag or start tag of body, and it is the closing part. So whatever you write between this opening and closing tag, this web page, it is the content of the web page which will be displayed on the web browser. So this three total between the start tag, the content and the end tag, these three makes an element of HTML. Now in HTML there are two types of elements. One, container element. It has both the opening and the closing tag, just like this body tag. It has an opening tag, it has an ending tag. So body tag is a container element. And the second one is the empty element. It is only the opening tag. We will discuss about all these opening and closing element, means both the container element and empty element, in the next videos. But for right now, the container element, both opening and closing tag. The empty element, it has only the opening tag. The third term, very much important to HTML, is attribute. So what are attributes? Actually, attribute adds extra information to an HTML element. So whatever you want to color your web page, or you want to color your text, whatever you want to do, you can't do simply with the tag names. You have to put something extra. So those extra information which you will use in an HTML element is attribute. So it always appears in the start tag. HTML opening tag or start tag, attributes are written within it. It does not appear in the closing tag. It is written after the tag name, separated by space or tag. Means first you write the tag name, then give a space or press the tab key and then write the attribute name. Attribute value is given after the equal sign and within double quotes. Means first the tag name, then the attribute name, then you put an equal sign and then within double quotes you have to write the value of the attribute. However, if the attribute value is a single word or a number, you can simply omit the quotes. But if your attribute value have an space or it contains some symbol, you have to put in double quotes. So it is an example. So the body, what is it? It is the start tag. Then BG color, it is the attribute. So let's see, between body and BG color there is a space in between. So you have to write the start tag, then give a space and then the attribute. Then you put the equal sign and then within double quotes you write the attribute value. Then this web page, it is the content. That means this word web page will be displayed in your web browser. And the last one, this is the end tag. See, the attribute BG color appears in the starting tag, not in the closing tag. So you just simply close the tag, but you do not need to close the attribute. It only appears in the body tag. So here is the basic terms, the three main basic terms used with HTML. We will see more about them in the next video.